Animal rights activists and environmentalists call it a blood sport, the definition of inhumane. Cow-nose ray fishing contests mostly seen in the southern part of the state. Well, today here in Annapolis, the first steps were put forth to make those contests illegal. It was back in the summer of 2015 when WBAL-TV learned of this shocking video of the so-called Battle of the Rays contest on the Patuxent River, where participants brutally killed cow-nose rays.
I thought it was terrible. I mean, they shoot them, they pull them up, they beat them with a baseball bat, they throw them in a barrel where they suffocate, and then they dump them back in the water. And it's just very inhumane. I don't think we should treat any live species that way.
The video caught the eye of State Senator Ron Young, who, along with animal activists, helped draft Senate Bill 268, which would make it illegal to conduct or participate in a cow-nose ray fishing contest in state waters.
These are clearly cruel and ecologically destructive events. Cow-nose rays are native to the bay's ecosystem. Targeting pregnant females when they come to the bay to breed is just irresponsible and horrific.
Catherine Kohlberg from the Humane Society of the United States, and who testified Tuesday, said scientific evidence shows because of 2 decades of these contests, the population is depleting. Others who testify say that the law has been embraced by those involved with the bay.
There's so much support for it from the public, from the scientific community, from animal protection advocates, from conservationists, even from many within the fishing community.
On the flip side, some bay watermen have argued that the rays eat a good portion of the oyster population. Supporters of the bill say a recent Florida state study shows that that simply isn't true, blaming over-harvesting, disease, and pollution. And an identical bill was also submitted to the House. Review of that bill will be in 2 weeks. In the meantime, if you'd like more information on this legislation, we provided some links on our website, WBALTV.com, and our mobile app. In Annapolis, I'm Lowell Melser, WBAL TV 11 News.